So this is very straightforward to do. Just go to the passenger side and open your glove box, and it's best if you empty it. There's this little shock absorber on the side. You want to disconnect it. And all you do is apply a little pressure with your fingers and it'll pop off. And now just apply some inward pressure on the sides of the glove box and pull the glove box down. And once you tilt it down further, the door of the glove box will come right off. And you'll see this door right here. That's where the filter is. There's a little tab on the end. Just push it in and pull the door off. And you can see that there's a finger that fits into a slot, and at the other end there's just a tab that pushes in. And at this point you just slide the filter out. These are so easy to get to, you could check this yearly to see how much crud is in the filter. Most times I'll just take mine and tap it on the ground to get rid of the junk and the dust. But today I'm going to replace it. If you need a cabin filter, I'll have it linked in the description below. And just look at the words on the end and put the filter back in the proper direction. Now fit the door back on. If this shock happens to fall off while you're taking the glove box out, it just mounts back on that center hole and it faces downwards. And now just take the door and fit it back onto these shafts. You can see where they fit in right in the bottom of the door. And once you have the door aligned, push it up firmly and the two fingers will pop past the dash into place. And pop your shock absorber back onto the door. And that's it, you're done. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and hit the dinger to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.